welcome to the Science Masterclass. Today we're going to learn about mineral resources. My name is Mr. Salagaris and this is part of my Year 8 Science Geology course. Okay, so minerals contain many important resources such as metals like iron, copper and tin. An ore is any mineral with large amounts of useful metal in it. So for example, the ore bauxite contains the metal aluminium. An ore is important because of the many uses that it has. So you know that aluminium has many uses in our everyday life, from things like construction materials and things like that. But also a lot of these metals can be used in other industries or for other materials. It's also important because there's a huge amount of money that can be made by selling these mineral ores. Australia is a leading producer of things like lead and bauxite. So Australia makes a huge amount of money by selling and exporting our mineral resources that we have in our country to places like China, which then can use things like iron and aluminium in manufacturing. So there's an issue here of sustainability. So not all minerals are renewable, so you can't keep reusing them over and over again, breaking them down and then turning them into something else. So you have to consider, is this resource able to be sustained for the future, or is it something that's going to run out? So for a lot of resources, they're going to run out. So we have to consider, are we using them sustainably for the future, for people in the future, or are we going to use them all up now? So the way that you use resources, or the way that the governments or mining companies and that use resources, needs to be sustainable. Otherwise, we're going to run out of a lot of these resources. Hey, let's talk about the main points that we covered today. We talked about how minerals contain important resources, and that ore is a mineral with large amounts of useful metal in it, and that these metals can be used for lots of things, including selling, and that there is an issue of sustainability that has to be considered when talking about or using metals and ores and minerals. Hey, thanks for watching.